Well, nearly 3 million vaccinations have been administered right here in Arizona across the state. In just over 1 million Arizonans are now fully vaccinated. We still have a long way to go, clearly, and we know a lot of people still do have some concerns. So let's address that. Our Mark Thompson joins us right now. Mark, there is a new initiative, and it's all aimed at trying to ease these concerns, and especially so among minority communities.
Yeah, good morning to you, Kaylee. And the American Lung Association has now teamed up with the Center for Black Health and Equity to work with those in the minority community who are still struggling to decide whether or not they want to get vaccinated. Now, immunizations, they have long since been a topic of hesitancy in the Black community due to medical mistrust from the past, like the Tuskegee study. Doctors are now concerned that if less of the community choose to be vaccinated compared to their white counterparts, it will lead to an even wider gap in overall health. Since the pandemic began, Black Americans have experienced higher death rates from COVID-19, and we spoke with Dr. Cedric Rutland from the American Lung Association, who stresses that it's much easier to prevent a disease than to actually treat it. And he's encouraging his patients and friends to receive the vaccine and says right now it's all about, again, building that trust.
Partner with institutions that they trust, barbershops, churches, and you need to develop content for those places so that way people can get educated where they're comfortable and where they trust people. And then it starts to set up this foundation of education, this foundation of knowledge, which leads to the result of becoming vaccinated.
And Dr. Rutland also says you can't let some of the things that have happened in the past affect the community and hurt the community even so right now. And he says that there are protocols in place to make sure that everyone who is getting the vaccine remains safe. Reporting live this morning, Mark Thompson, ABC 15, Arizona. Back to you.
Sure makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Our Mark Thompson live. Appreciate that for sure.